Hello, guy. How are you? So, I hope you are doing well. So, today we are going to see very important and fantastic topic, and it's related to the latest tools, technologies, and advancement in the artificial intelligence and AI. And it's related to Google Cloud, Vertex AI, Agent Development Kit, Agent Space. So, nowadays Google in the Google, if you see there are so many openings are available, so many if you are working for any other companies, then they are also getting the projects for the Google specific clients. And so most of the clients, or if you are also trying to apply for that Google, so they want that most of the candidates they should know like how they can utilize that Google's ADK kit, or it's called as agent development kit. So so many of you will face struggles, like you may face the difficulties, like it's maybe a difficult or very hard to learn or hard to code, and how you can integrate all those things. But I want to say like that I works with the one or two projects of that, and this is very simple. Already Google's have come with their documents, and they have shared all those tutorials step by steps, how you can create your small agents, then how you can run it in the locals by utilizing their various classes, runner, and all those things. And also easily you can deploy those into the Google's Vertex AI GCP platforms, like by utilizing Cloud Run. So Cloud Run is nothing but where you can it's create the Docker file, it can create the containers of those, and at this specific endpoint it will deploy that app. So all those steps they have given, and you just need to follow, you just need to learn that things. And once you complete all those, once you deploy that applications, you will feel very awesome, because uh, nowadays in the market there are so many openings are coming, and that's the must skill that everyone should learn those things. Apart from that, Cloud and Google is also offering the agent engine. So agent engine nothing but you just need to write 4 5 6 command lines, and just agent engine deploy, you need to give that app name and something. So automatically it will deploy all those whatever agents you have created, and it can create the scalable infrastructures there, so you don't need to worry about the load imbalancing, means load large number of requests or whatever the requirement are here. So that's the very important. And apart from that, you can also integrate your Streamlit app there, or else let's say if you are working on the Google client projects, and if they are not giving you access for to utilizing local VS code there, so you can, so many of you will face these struggles, like in the Google workbench actually you cannot even if you are running the fast API endpoints, but you cannot visual them or access them into your local environments, because it's in the workbench. So for that, you have need to get these so many permissions, authentications, IAM rules, and all those things. And so many clients or projects will restrict them there. So you can go with the Google Cloud Sale, so through that Google Cloud Sale actually you can create those endpoints and all those, and just you have need to click on that specific URL, and through the Cloud Sale web review you can go to this particular page, like Streamlit app or fast API endpoints, and through that you can visualize whatever you have created. So it's very interesting. And once you means through the Cloud Sale, actually there is one cloud editor type platform, so through that actually you will get the access, like VS Code, where you can see all your coding files, Docker files, main files, whatever your directory. You can pull your repository from that GitHub, you can do the code changes, modify changes, and you can push them. So it's like Cloud Sale is like a virtual machines, or like a environment, and if it's actually deployed on that particular GC platform. So through that also you can do so many things. And friends, you can also face some challenges while utilizing this Streamlit app. So while means if you want to test that Streamlit app in the Cloud Sale, then actually you need to add some their conditions, like reset then restrictions policies, and you have need to make some condition as a false, because and you will get that easily on the internet. Why? Because I'm telling this, because maybe you will face lot of struggles, because sometimes you will not going to get the right platform there. So I thought that I can also share, because I face those some challenges into my projects. But uh, you can also try those manually. And regarding how you can create those agents and all those things, so it's very simple one step. So just in here you have need to create one project directory, and you have then in that directory you have just need to give one agent. You have need to create one agent.py file, and that agent.py file containing the other whatever agents you have defined. And that agent file will also should contain one root agents, and that agents will handle the other multiple agents. Root agents actually act here like a orchestrator type agent. So based upon user input request, it will try to pass that user input request to the specific agents, or it will take the response from those specific agents, and based upon that it will give you the final response. And yeah, like other agents, you just need to create their tools and all those. Like you can create those tools and connect to the BigQuery clients, or some tools you can define here. You can create the visualization update and all those things. So I just want to say, like, if you are learning that Google Cloud suggests and agent development kit, and if you are going into the agent space, then those things are, means whatever I have mentioned, those are very basic one, but those are the very important and necessary. And also I have completed one Google Cloud GCP certified learner certificate. I have just studied for 2 or 3 days, and I have completed just all those modules, because initially I have worked with those GCP projects. Because of that I have knowledge. But if you thoroughly learn all those, and while getting those badges, you maybe get some questions and all those things. So such type of questions similarly will be asked in the exam, and try to complete that certificate. Another benefit is for that certificate is like you will get 3 years of validity, so you can show that your certificates in your any projects to the clients, and also will get a very nice hands-on experience for that. So in the next video, actually I will try to create a specific video on that, like how I have obtained that GCP cloud certificate, and how I have cracked it just in the first attempt, and what how you can study all those resources where you can log in for that specific exam, and how you can give the exams, and what types of sections courses are there, and all those things. So stay tuned to these channels, and please let me know how is the voice quality, video quality, and are you learning from this or not. I just want to test it with my new mic. I have ordered this yesterday, and it cost me nearly about 3,000. And now that Amazon sale is going on, so I have borrowed it. So thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.